Just to give you an idea, here's some of the tools that I use on a daily basis. Obviously my nice light toolbox. And here's my snake for getting those tough kitchen sink drain clogs. Here's the good old roto hammer for doing anything with concrete. I can bust a hole in a concrete to fix a leaky pipe, or drill holes for anchors for hanging any pipes or anything on to a basement wall. And one of my favorites is the Sawzall. It is the demolition machine. Then we've got the hole hog, if we have to drill any big size holes through wood or anything else, we have a drill that will handle it. At Up a Creek, we don't work on appliances, we don't fix appliances, but we do install them. I install dishwashers, everything that goes along with a dishwasher. We install dishwashers. We can pull them if you have a leak. We can pull them out and reinstall them. Garbage disposals. If the garbage disposal isn't grinding, if it's not draining, or if it's leaking. If it's leaking, they need replaced, and we'll replace the garbage disposal. If you have any leaks in your house, underneath the sink, around the base of your toilet, call Up a Creek Plumbing, 503-999-1847. We'll come out and assess and fix.